Did you know that the presence of air fryers in Brazilian households skyrocketed from 36% in 2022 to 64% in 2025? This increase shows that the appliance has become an indispensable kitchen item. But with so many options, the question is whether you should choose the traditional basket model or invest in the modern oven version. If you have limited counter space and want to save time, you'll be surprised by how practical the traditional model is. It features a removable basket with a capacity of 3 to 5 liters in household models, such as the 3.5-liter Mondial AF31. Its compact dimensions of 30 centimeters tall by 28 wide ensure it fits perfectly in any compact kitchen. With its compact design and smaller basket, the traditional version reaches cooking temperature quickly. This makes preparing small portions fast, reducing absolute energy consumption per cycle of use. An efficient choice for those looking for speed when preparing daily recipes without wasting electricity. When it comes to cleaning, practicality remains the strong point of the traditional air fryer. It has only two main washable parts, the inner basket and the outer drawer. Both parts feature a high-quality non-stick coating and are fully compatible with a quick wash in your dishwasher. However, if you have a large family, the traditional basket might be limited, and you'll be surprised by the space in the oven version. It has an internal capacity of 10 to 12 liters in most models, like the 12-liter Mondial. This generous internal space allows you to bake whole recipes using racks on multiple levels. This version drastically expands your kitchen possibilities as it comes equipped with multiple accessories out of the box. It features 2 or more removable racks for multi-tier baking, along with a spit for the rotisserie function and a rotating basket. It's a real step up for anyone who loves trying complex recipes and cooking larger dishes all at once. However, due to its larger internal volume, the air fryer oven requires more preheating time and consumes more energy for single portions. While the traditional model consumes about 15 kilowatt hours per month, the oven's average estimated consumption is between 27 and 30 monthly kilowatt hours based on 30 minutes of daily use. After all, which of the two will save you more money in the long run? Stay with me to see the exact figures now. The traditional model requires a lower investment, costing between 260 and 40 reals. On the other hand, the 12-liter oven ranges from 550 to 900 reais for digital models. The ideal decision depends on your usage profile and family size. If you value speed, easy daily cleaning, and want to spend less on the purchase, the traditional one is perfect. But if you need to prepare large meals simultaneously and want the versatility of multi-tier cooking, the oven is worth the extra investment. But is the daily maintenance of a giant air fryer as simple as it seems, or will you regret it later? The truth is, the air fryer oven requires more cleaning time because it contains 3 to 4 removable internal accessories, and it also requires cleaning the drip tray after every use. Regardless of your final choice, the durability of the non-stick coating on both styles directly depends on the consistent care you take at home. The official recommendation from experts is to use only mild dish soap and the soft side of the sponge, avoiding any thermal shock or abrasive materials that could damage or scratch the appliance's Teflon coating. In short, the traditional air fryer easily wins when it comes to savings, ease of daily cleaning, and speed of preparation for the busy lives of small households. On the other hand, the oven version stands out as a highly versatile mini electric oven for larger families who enjoy preparing elaborate meals and baking multi-tier recipes.
Personally, I prefer the traditional air fryer. I recognize that the oven is excellent for multi-tier baking, but for daily use, I value the convenience of cleaning only 2 parts and the significantly lower purchase price.
What about in your kitchen? Which of these two makes more sense for your routine? Share your thoughts in the comments and help others make a confident choice.